Cowl sleeve is very beautiful and trendy, and it's also very easy to make. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful sleeve, then watch this video to the end.
So I've already drawn out my basic sleeve pattern. Now if you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve pattern, let me know in the comment section and I'll drop a tutorial on that. So I've drafted my basic sleeve pattern. From the top, I'll be coming down by 11 inches. This is my elbow length. So I'll be marking that. I'll just mark that. And I'll draw a straight line here. From the elbow length, I'll come up by 4 inches and I'll just mark 4 inches here, and here I'll come up by 1 inch. I'll connect these 2 points together. Just like this. From this 4-inch mark, I'll draw another slash line. I'll draw another slash line here, like this. Then I'll be drawing one more. The distance is about 2.5. I'll just mark a distance of 2.5 inches and I'll draw another line here. So this is our first slash line, this is our second slash line, this is our third slash line, and this is our fourth slash line. Now I'll be cutting through these slash lines. I'll cut close and I'll stop. I'm just going to cut out my sleeve pattern so I can spread my slash lines. I'll be spreading this open just like this. Now the amount of spread depends on you and how wide you want it to be. You can spread as much as you want. The more you spread, the more your cowl will drape. So just spread as much as you want it to drape. Now I'll get another paper. And I'll place my pattern on it so I can spread. I'll be taping this down. I'll be taping this down. Now this part is straight, so I'll just tape this down. And I'll be spreading this other part as much as I want. Now I don't want my fold to be much, so I won't be spreading it very wide, but you can spread as much as you want. So I'll just tape this down. So I've spread and taped it down. From this point here, I want to get a straight line down to the center point. So I'll just place my ruler and I'll connect from the tip here. I'll connect with a straight line. just like this. So this is our new sleeve and I'll be cutting this out. I'll be placing my pattern on my fabric and I'll be cutting out. I'll be cutting on fold. I'll add my seam allowances all around this pattern and cut it out. My fabric is on fold and I'll be placing my pattern on it to cut out. I'll place my pattern on it and I'll be adding my seam allowances all around this pattern. At the top, I'm adding ½ inch. I'm adding ½ inch around here. Here I'll add 1 inch. At the hem, I'll also add 1 inch. I'll go ahead to cut this out. Now I'll use this to cut out the second sleeve. I've cut out both sleeves. Now I'll take this to my sewing machine. I'll take this to the sewing machine and I'll be sewing down on ½ inch to close up this part. I'll be doing it on both sleeves. So I've closed it up, I've sewn it down and I sewed it all the way to the end. And this is what it looks like on the right side. If I flip it over, this is what I have on the right side. Now you can see our armhole opening. This is the armhole opening to attach to the outfit. Now I'll still go ahead to close this up. I'll be closing my sleeve. I'll be sewing it down. I already hemmed it. I already hemmed the edge, so I'll just sew this down and close it. So I've closed up the sleeve and this is what it looks like currently. This is what we have. So I'll be fitting the sleeve on the mannequin so we can all see what it looks like. I'm just going to fit it. You can see what it looks like. This is what the cowl sleeve looks like. Now you can style it this way. You can choose to style it this way, or this part that is pointed, you can push it inwards. You can push it inwards like this. Can you see? So you can either do it this way or you leave it out. So this is our cowl sleeve. I'll be fixing this to the body of my outfit.
We've come to the end of this tutorial, and if you've watched up to this point, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click the like button and let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!